Hello everyone. Hello everyone.
Hello.
Welcome to Chitta Prasadanam. Ma'am, you are on mute.
Yes. Good evening, Rajini ma'am. Good evening. Good evening, all of you.
I think Rajni ma'am is in a very poor network zone. Hello ma'am.
Yeah.
Hello, namaste. Can you hear me? Can you hear
Yes,
me?
now
I
we
can hear you. Yeah.
Okay. So namaste, namaste, namaste. So nice to see you all beautiful people. Helen, Krupa, Malvika ma'am, namaste. You can hear me, Shraddha?
yes, ma'am, we can hear.
Okay. Oh, very nice to see Purnima after a long time. And then Marilo Fun Hauk. Yeah, very
Hello.
nice to see you.
Thank
Hello.
you.
Okay, Harish ji, Kshama, Smita, Rashmi, Purnima, Shraddha, everybody is there. So let's begin with Kri Onkar and beginning prayer. Shraddha will take the Sahana Vavatu prayer. Over to you, Shraddha. You are on mute, Shraddha. Shraddha, unmute yourself. Yeah.
Watch your breath in and out. We will chant Om followed by 3 rounds. We'll chant Om 3 times followed by the prayer. Breathe in. Om. Om. Prayer now. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sah Viryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu Ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. You may gently open your eyes. Welcome everyone once again to this Chitta Prasadanam I hope you all are ready to chant, and I'm sure you are ready to chant. Um, we all know how we chant, okay? All your names are there with us. You all have it in front of you, right? Now, please keep chanting. As your name appears on the list, you keep chanting one by one, and we will continue and not pause in between. Okay? One person stops. A request not to start your audio until and unless your turn comes. You know what happens when you start the audio before, while somebody is chanting? It can be a little disturbing for them. Okay, so start your audio only when your turn comes to chant. All right? Okay. Ma'am, are we ready to go? You are on mute, ma'am.
Okay. I will chant the Yogena Chittasya prayer. Do you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Now you're on mute, ma'am. We can't hear you, ma'am. You are on mute.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So I have two mobiles here. But see, Shraddha, the signal is very bad.
Yeah, ma'am. Don't worry, we will
You
manage.
continue. It
Yeah,
will be
yeah.
disturbed. Yeah.
Ma'am, you are on mute again. You can start.
Shraddha, you take
Okay.
the prayer because my other mobile has gone.
Yes.
So like that, it will keep on going and coming. So you only conduct the whole thing.
All right.
I will have to. I'm at a village place.
Yes.
You take the prayer.
Om योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचा मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोत्तं प्रवरं मुनीना पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिरानतोऽस्मि पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिरानतोऽस्मि ॐ
श्रीपातञ्जलयोगदर्शनम् अथ प्रथमसमाधिपादः अथ योगानुशासनम् योगश्चित्तवृत्तिनिरोधः तदा द्रष्टुस्वरूपेव स्थानम् वृत्तिः सारूप्यमितरत्र वृत्तयः पञ्चतयः क्लिष्टाः
प्रमाण विपर्यय विकल्प निद्रा स्मृतयः प्रत्यक्षानुमानागमाः प्रमाणानि विपर्ययो मिथ्या जानमतद्रूपः प्रतिष्ठाम् शब्दज्ञानानुपाति वस्तु शून्यो विकल्पः अभावप्रत्ययालम्बाना वृत्तिर्निद्रा
अनुभूतविषया सम्प्रमोषस्मृतिः अभ्यासवैराग्याभ्यान्तन्निरोधः तत्र स्थितौ यत्नोऽभ्यासः स तु दीर्घकालनैरन्तर्यसत्कारासेवितो दृढभूमिः द्रष्टानुश्रविकविषयवितृष्णस्य वशीकारसंज्ञा वैराग्यम्
तत्परं पुरुषख्यातेर्गुणवैतृष्ण्यम् वितर्कविचारानन्दास्मितारूपानुगमात् सम्प्रज्ञातः विरामप्रत्ययाभ्यासपूर्वः संस्कारशेषोऽन्यः भवप्रत्ययो विदेह प्रकृतिलयानाम् श्रद्धा वीर्यस्मृतिसमाधि प्रज्ञापूर्वक इतरेषाम्
तीव्रसंवेगानामासन्नः मृदुमध्यादिमात्रत्वात् ततोऽपि विशेषः ईश्वरप्रणिधानाद्वा क्लेशकर्मविपाकाशयैरपरामृष्टः पुरुषविशेष ईश्वरः तत्र निरतिशयन् सर्वज्ञबीजम्
पूर्वेषामपि गुरुः कालेनानवच्छेदात् तस्य वाचकः प्रणवः तज्जपस्तदर्थभावनम् ततः प्रत्यक्षेतनाधिगमोऽप्यन्तरायाभावश्च व्याधिस्त्यानसंशयप्रमादालस्याविरतिभ्रान्तिदर्शना लब्धभूमिकत्वानवस्थितत्वानि चित्तविक्षेपास्तेन्तरायाः
दुःखदौर्मनस्याङ्गमे जयत्वश्वासप्रश्वासा विक्षेपसह भुवः तत्प्रतिषेधार्थमेकतत्त्वाभ्यासः मैत्री करुणामुदितोपेक्षाणां सुखदुःखपुण्यापुण्यविषयाणां भावनातश्चित्तप्रसादनम् प्रच्चर्दनविधारणाभ्यां वा प्राणस्य विषयवती वा प्रवृत्तिरुत्पन्ना मनसस्थितिनिबन्धिनी
विशोका वा ज्योतिष्मती वीतरागविषयं वा चित्तम् स्वप्ननिद्राज्ञानालम्बनं वा यथाभिमतध्यानाद्वा परमाणुपरममहत्त्वान्तोऽस्य वशीकारः
क्षीणवृत्तेरभिजातस्येव मणेर्ग्रहितृग्रहणग्राह्येषु तत्स्थतदञ्जनता समापत्तिः तत्र तार्थज्ञानविकल्पैः सङ्कीर्ण सवितर्का समापत्तिः स्मृतिपरिशुद्धौ स्वरूपशून्ये वार्थमात्रनिर्भासा निर्वितर्का एतयैव सविचारा निर्विचारा च सूक्ष्मविषया व्याख्याता सूक्ष्मविषयत्वं चालिङ्गपर्यवसानम् ता एव सबीजः समाधिः निर्विचारवैशारद्येऽध्यात्मप्रसादः ऋतंभरा तत्र प्रज्ञा श्रुतानुमानप्रज्ञाभ्यामन्यविषया विशेषार्थत्वात् तज्ज संस्कारोऽन्यसंस्कारप्रतिबन्धी तस्यापि निरोधे सर्वनिरोधान्निर्बीजः समाधिः इति श्रीपातञ्जले योगशास्त्रे समाधिनिर्देशो नाम प्रथमः पादः। ॐ
अथ द्वितीयः साधनपादः तपस्वाध्यायेश्वरप्रणिधानानि क्रियायोगः समाधिभावनार्थः क्लेशतनु करणार्थश्च अविद्यास्मितारागद्वेष विनिवेशः क्लेशाः अविद्या क्षेत्रमुत्तरेषां प्रसुप्ततनु विच्छिन्नो दाराणाम् अनित्या शुचि दुःखानात्मसु नित्यशुचि सुखात्माख्यातिरविद्या
दृग्दर्शनशक्त्योरेकात्मतेवास्मिता सुखानुशयीरागः दुःखानुशयी द्वेषः स्वरसवाही विदुषोऽपि तथारूढोऽभिनिवेशः ते प्रतिप्रसवहेया सूक्ष्माः
ध्यानहेयास्तद्वृत्तयः क्लेशमूलकर्माशयो दृष्टादृष्टजन्मवेदनीयः सति मूले तद्विपाको जात्यायुर्भोगाः ते ह्लादपरितापफलाः पुण्यहेतुत्वात् परिणामतापसंस्कारदुःखैर्गुणवृत्तिविरोधाच्च दुःखमेव सर्वं विवेकिनः हेयं दुःखमनागतम् दृष्टिदृश्ययोः संयोगो हेयहेतुः प्रकाशक्रियास्थितिशीलं भूतेन्द्रियात्मकं भोगापवर्गार्थं दृश्यम् विशेषाविशेषलिङ्गमात्रालिङ्गानि गुणपर्वाणि द्रष्टादृशिमात्रशुद्धोऽपि प्रत्ययानुपश्यः
तदार्थ एव तिरिष्यास्यात्मा कृतार्थं प्रति नष्टमप्यनष्टं तदन्यसाधारणत्वात् स्वस्वामी शक्त्यो स्वरूपोपलब्धि हेतु संयोगः तस्य हेतुरविद्या तदभावात् संयोगाभावो अनन्तदृशेः कैवल्यम्
विशेष विवेकख्यातिरविप्लवाहानोपायः तस्य सप्तधा प्रान्तभूमिः प्रज्ञा योगाङ्गानुष्ठानादशुद्धिक्षये ज्ञानदीप्तिराविवेकख्यातेः यमनियमासन प्रत्याहार धारणा ध्यान समाधयोष्टावङ्गानि अहिंसा सत्यास्तेय ब्रह्मचर्या परिग्रह यमाः
जातिदेशकालसमयानवच्छिन्ना सार्वभौमा महाव्रतम् शौचसन्तोषतपस्वाध्यायेश्वरप्रणिधानानि नियमाः वितर्कबाधने प्रतिपक्षभावनम् वितर्काहिंसादयः कृतकारितानुमोदिता लोभक्रोधमोहपूर्वका मृदुमध्याधिमात्रा दुःखाज्ञानानन्तफला इति प्रतिपक्षभावनम् अहिंसा प्रतिष्ठायां तत्सन्निधौ वैरत्यागः
सत्यप्रतिष्ठायां क्रियाफलाश्रयत्वम् अस्तेयप्रतिष्ठायां सर्वरत्नोपस्थानम् ब्रह्मचर्यप्रतिष्ठायां वीर्यलाभः अपरिग्रहस्थैर्ये जन्म कथन्ता सम्बोधः शौचात् स्वाङ्गजुगुप्सा परैरसंसर्गः सत्त्वशुद्धि सौमनस्यैकाग्रेन्द्रिय जयात्मदर्शनयोग्यत्वानि च सन्तोषादनुत्तमसुखलाभः कायेन्द्रियसिद्धिरशुद्धिक्षयात् तपसः स्वाध्यायादिष्टदेवता संप्रयोगः समाधिसिद्धिरीश्वरप्रणिधानात्
स्थिरसुखमासनम् प्रयत्नशैथिल्यानन्तसमापत्तिभ्याम् ततो द्वन्द्वानभिघातः तस्मिन् सतिश्वासप्रश्वासयोर्गतिविच्छेदः प्राणायामः बाह्याभ्यन्तरस्तम्भवृत्तिर्देशकालसङ्ख्याभिः परिदृष्टो दीर्घसूक्ष्मः बाह्याभ्यन्तरविषयाक्षेपी चतुर्थः ततः क्षीयते प्रकाशावरणम् धारणासु च योग्यता मनसः स्वविषया संप्रयोगे चित्तस्य स्वरूपानुकार इवेन्द्रियाणां प्रत्याहारः ततः परमावश्यतेन्द्रियाणाम् इति श्रीपातञ्जले योगशास्त्रे साधननिर्देशो नाम द्वितीयः पादः। ॐ
ॐ अथ तृतीयो विभूतिपादः देशबन्धश्चित्तस्य धारणा तत्र प्रत्ययैकतानता ध्यानम् तदेवार्थमात्रनिर्भासन् स्वरूपशून्यमिव समाधिः त्रयमेकत्र संयमः तज्जयात् प्रज्ञालोकः
तस्य भूमिषु विनियोगः त्रयमन्तरङ्गं पूर्वेभ्यः तदपि बहिरङ्गन्निर्बीजस्य व्युत्थाननिरोधसंस्कारयोरभिभव प्रादुर्भावौ निरोधक्षणचित्तान्वयो निरोधपरिणामः तस्य प्रशान्तवाहिता संस्कारात्
सर्वार्थतैकाग्रतयोः क्षयोदयौ चित्तस्य समाधिपरिणामः ततः पुनः शान्तोदितौ तुल्यप्रत्ययौ चित्तस्यैकाग्रता परिणामः इथेन भूतेन्द्रियेषु परिमलक्षणावस्था परिणाम व्याख्याताः शान्तोदिता व्यपदेश धर्मानुभाति कर्मी क्रमान्यत्वं परिणामान्यत्वे हेतुः परिणामत्रयसंयमादधीतानागतज्ञानम् शब्दार्थप्रत्ययानामितरेतराध्यासत् सङ्करस्तत्प्रविभागः संयमात् सर्वभूतऋतज्ञानम् संस्कारा साक्षात्कारणात् पूर्वजातिज्ञानम् प्रत्ययस्य परचित्तज्ञानम् न च तत्सालम्बनं तस्य विषयीभूतत्वात् कार्यरूपसंयमात् तद्ग्राह्यशक्तिस्तम्भे चक्षुप्रकाशा सम्प्रयोगेऽन्तर्धानम् सोपक्रमं निरुपक्रमं च कर्म तत्संयमादपरं तद्ध्यानमरिष्टेभ्यो वा मैत्र्यादिषु फलानि कालेषु हस्तिबलादीनि प्रवृत्त्या लोकान् यसात् सूक्ष्मव्यवहितविप्रकृष्टज्ञानम्
भुवनज्ञानं सूर्ये संयमात् चन्द्रे ताराव्यूहज्ञानं ध्रुवे तद्गतिज्ञानं नाभिचक्रे कायव्यूहज्ञानं कण्ठकूपेक्षुत्पिपासा निवृत्तिः कूर्मनाढ्यान् स्थैर्यम् मूर्धज्योतिषि सिद्धदर्शनम् प्रातिभाद्वा सर्वं हृदये चित्तसंवित् सत्त्वपुरुषयोरत्यन्ता सङ्कीर्णयोः प्रत्यया विशेषो भोगः परार्थत्वात् स्वार्थसंयमात् पुरुषज्ञानम्
ततः प्रातिभश्रावणवेदनादर्शास्वादवार्ता जायन्ते ते समाधावुपसर्गा व्युत्थाने सिद्धयः बन्धकारणशैथिल्यात् प्रचारसंवेदनाच्च चित्तस्य परशरीरावेशः उदानजयाज्जलपङ्क कण्टकादिष्वसङ्ग उत्क्रान्तिश्च समानजयाज्वलनम्
श्रोत्राकाशयोः सम्बन्ध संयमाद् दिव्यन् श्रोत्रम् कायाकाशयोः सम्बन्ध संयमाल्लघु स्थूलसमापत्तेश्चाकाशगमनम् बहिरकल्पिता वृत्तिर्महाविदेहा ततः प्रकाशावरणक्षयः स्थूलस्वरूपसूक्ष्मान्वयार्थवत्व संयमाद्भूतजयः ततोऽणिमादिप्रादुर्भावः कायसम्पत्तद्धर्मानभिघातश्च रूपलावण्यबलवज्रसंहननत्वानि कायसम्पद्ग्रहणस्वरूपास्मितान्वयार्थवत्व संयमादिन्द्रियजयः ततो मनोजवित्वं विकरणभावः प्रधान जयश्च सत्त्वपुरुषान्यता ख्यातिमात्रस्य सर्वभावाधिष्ठातृत्वं सर्वज्ञातृत्वं च तद्वैराग्यादपि दोषबीजक्षये कैवल्यम् स्थान्युपनिमन्त्रणे सङ्गस्मयाकरणं पुनरनिष्टप्रसङ्गात् क्षणतत्क्रमयोः संयमाद्विवेकजञ्ज्ञानम् जातिलक्षणदेशैरन्यतानवच्छेदात् तुल्ययोस्ततः प्रतिपत्तिः तारकं सर्वविषयं सर्वथा विषयमक्रमञ्चेति विवेकजञ्ज्ञानम् सत्त्वपुरुषयोः शुद्धिसाम्ये कैवल्यमिति इति श्रीपातञ्जले योगशास्त्रे विभूतिनिर्देशो नाम तृतीयः पादः ॐ
ॐ अथ चतुर्थः कैवल्यपादः जन्मौषधिमन्त्रतपःसमाधिजासिद्धयः जात्यन्तरपरिणामः प्रकृत्या पुरात् निमित्तमप्रयोजकं प्रकृतीनां वर्णभेदस्तु तथा क्षेत्रिकवत् निर्माणचित्तान्यस्मिता मात्रात् प्रवृत्तिभेदे प्रयोजकं चित्तमेकमनेकेषाम्
तत्र ध्यानजमनाशयम् कर्मा शुक्ला कृष्णै योगिनस्त्रिविधमितरेषाम् ततस्तद्विपाकानुगुणानामेवाभिव्यक्तिर्वासनानाम् जातिदेशकालव्यवहितानामप्यानन्तर्यन् स्मृतिसंस्कारयोरेकरूपत्वात् तासामनादित्वं चाशिषो नित्यत्वात् हेतुफलाश्रयालम्बनैः सङ्गृहीतत्वा देशामभावे तदभावः अतीतानागतं स्वरूपतोऽस्त्यद्वभेदाद् धर्माणाम् ते व्यक्तसूक्ष्मा गुणात्मानः परिणामैकत्वाद्वस्तुतत्त्वम् वस्तुसाम्ये चित्तभेदात् तयोर्विभक्तः पन्थाः
न चैकचित्ततन्त्रं वस्तु तदप्रमाणकं तदा किं स्यात् तदुपरागापेक्षित्वा चित्तस्य वस्तु ज्ञाता ज्ञातम् सदा ज्ञाता चित्तवृत्तयस्तत्प्रभोः पुरुषस्य परिणामित्वात् न तत्स्वाभासन्दृश्यत्वात् एकसमये चोभयानवधारणम्
चित्तान्तरदृश्ये बुद्धिबुद्धेरतिप्रसङ्गस्मृतिसङ्करश्च चितेरप्रतिसङ्क्रमायास्तदाकारापत्तौ स्वबुद्धिसंवेदनम् द्रष्टृदृश्योपरक्तं चित्तं सर्वार्थम् तदसङ्ख्येयवासनाभिश्चित्रमपि परार्थं संहत्यकारित्वात् विशेषदर्शिन आत्मभावभावना विनिवृत्तिः
तदा विवेकनिम्नं कैवल्यप्राग्भारं चित्तम् तच्छिद्रेषु प्रत्ययान्तराणि संस्कारेभ्यः हानमेषां क्लेशवदुक्तम् प्रसङ्ख्यानेऽप्यकुसीदस्य सर्वथा विवेकख्यातेर्धर्ममेघः समाधिः ततः क्लेशकर्मनिवृत्तिः
तदा सर्वावरणमलापेतस्य ज्ञानस्यानन्त्याज्ञेयमल्पम् ततः कृतार्थानां परिणामक्रमसमाप्तिर्गुणानाम् क्षणप्रतियोगी परिणामापरान्तनिर्ग्राह्यः क्रमः पुरुषार्थशून्यानां गुणानां प्रतिप्रसवः कैवल्यं स्वरूपप्रतिष्ठा वाचितिशक्तिरिति इति श्रीपातञ्जले योगशास्त्रे कैवल्यनिर्देशो नाम चतुर्थः पादः। ॐ
Om Shri Patanjala Yoga Darshanam Atha Prathamah Padaha Atha Prathamah Samadhipadaha Atha Yoganuशासनम् Om. Maintain silence for a while. Om. So we chant the first sutra just to indicate that we are not ending, but it's a new beginning again. My throat is not good enough to speak. So I would like anybody who would like to say anything about this program. Yes, please. Smita, you happy?
I think it was much more calmer than last time. So yes, I am happy.
Geeta, so happy to see you here.
Thank you. So am I, ma'am. It was lovely. The vibes are superb and it's mind blowing. Thank you.
Yeah, very happy to see you.
Thank you. So am I. Always, I love the sutras.
Yeah, I
Thank
know.
Ma'am, I wanted to say something.
Yes, please.
I can see Geeta ji and Malvika ma'am, both of them chanting along. I would request both of them to participate next time.
Yes. Yes.
Give me your number on this. I will add you on the group. Send your number
Yes.
on my private chat. Or what I can
Okay.
do is I will share my number on the chat and you
Yes.
get in touch with me. So next time
Yeah.
you can also be a part of this because I can
Yeah.
see both of you chanting along. So why not,
Yeah.
you know?
Sure, I would
Yes.
love to. It would be great, but only thing that I don't know so many of them properly.
So
Yeah.
I'm trying to
you
get
can
into it.
choose five sutras of your choice. You
Okay.
can we always prepare like 1 week, 15 days in advance. So you have
Okay.
Yeah.
to practice and you can share
Yes.
recording with us so that if there are any corrections, we can give them to you.
And I
Sure.
have better
Sure.
news. I have a better news to tell you.
Ah.
Whichever 5
Yeah.
sutras you choose, you call Shraddha, she will be helpful. You can
Okay.
call Shraddha, Mini, Helen, Paurnima, Rashmi, Smita,
Okay.
or
Okay.
anybody. You can call any of us. Once you are in the group, you just
Sure.
write one sentence. I want to practice these 5 sutras. who would like to help me? And 10
Oh,
people will come.
I would like to say something. I
Yes,
would like
ma'am.
to say something.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so what today I came prepared with this book, you know, in our Yoga Vidya Niketan, that
Yes,
is selected sutras from Patanjali Yoga Darshan. But
yes,
then I found that all the shlokas are not the selected ones are there. So
yes.
what I did to chant along with you, I went to the net and then I just typed Samadhi Pada, Sadhana Pada like
Oh,
that. And immediately all the sutras were in front of me and I started chanting them along with you.
what we will
Okay.
do right now,
Yes.
Shraddha,
Yeah.
we will post the booklet on the group. Okay.
Yes.
But
Yeah.
wait. I'll give you there was one more correction to be done. So I will give you corrected copy and then we will post it. Okay. So
Okay.
I will add Malvika ma'am and who else? Geeta. And
Yeah.
anybody else wants to be added into the group of Chitta Prasadana? Anybody else?
I am ready. I am
Hmm?
ready. Yeah.
Okay. Shraddha, you share your number on the chat. And
I have shared it. Ma'am, if
Okay.
you have their numbers, you can add them straight away to the group. Then that long procedure is
yeah,
avoided.
Okay.
I'll do that.
So, okay.
Ma'am will
And
add.
actually, since I'm in touch with Rajini ma'am, so whatever I have queries or whatever I want, I can just directly share my whatever I want to with Rajini ma'am, and then she will give me your
Me,
number.
ma'am.
Then,
You're my teacher. You know, Malvika
oh,
is my teacher. She has taught me when I started my yoga studies. So she is my teacher. Don't call me ma'am.
okay, no, but still, but then over here now you are accomplished, means you are everyone's ma'am, so that is why we call. You know, when you become a teacher, also we call each other ma'am. You call me ma'am, I call you ma'am. It's like this. But when we are face to face, one to one, then I can call you affectionately by your name. That is okay. So whatever I really enjoyed today. Even the previous days, I got an inspiration. That's a beautiful class going on. So today, when I totally came prepared right from right time, and then it was beautiful. Everyone has got their own way of chanting and their own, that sound, the voice. Some have got a higher pitch, some have got a medium, some have a low pitch, but it was so beautiful. So I also adjusted my voice according to their voice. Okay, and I chanted along. So it was a beautiful experience for me. Next time, I will actually, properly chant along with you. So
Yes.
I will come prepared with my sutras.
Mhm.
Whatever, either you tell me which one to do or I select mine. I mean, there are certain sutras which are very simple, and there are certain sutras which are very long and
Yeah.
many complicated. I will not say complicated, but
So,
long sutras. So
Ragaha Dukhanushayi Dvesha.
yes. So
Short.
it has to be broken properly and pronounced.
Yes.
So that way, so I will just select quite a few, and I will let you know. And when the next class comes, that is the end Saturday of the next month,
Every
and
month.
then we will. That is in the month of December, just in the month of December, the
Yes.
last Saturday, right? Right? Okay.
Yeah.
So then I will also chant along with you. Okay. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Next time, Purnima ji, you also should chant.
Haan.
Nice to see your face, and it's better to hear your voice. Bad throat.
My throat is also very bad because Padayatra.
Okay.
We were in
Pathayatra. Oh,
Padayatra.
means you,
150
acha.
is
How
Hindu
many
Ekta
kilometers?
Padayatra. 150.
Where did you, 150 kilometers? You walked?
One from
Wow.
11. Yeah, from
From
Delhi to
where to
Vrindavan.
where? From
Delhi to Vrindavan.
okay.
10 days.
Okay, so now you are in Vrindavan. You
No,
are in Vrindavan.
we were at Vrindavan for 3 days. Then I came back to my dham. There we had one camp, and the class was 4 a.m. onwards.
Okay.
So those, yeah. Then now I'm in Shivapuri for a Bhagavat Katha, Srimad Bhagavatam
Okay.
Mahapurana.
Oh,
Last day.
okay. It is very cold. Is it very cold over there?
Very cold.
Yeah, I can say very cold. Okay. So you are in a room, but wearing you are in a room, and then
No,
from there you are no. Then
right now, I came out of the Katha Pandal. Katha is going on, and I walked
okay.
on into a gully, and I requested family, I have to take a class. Can I come to your house? They said,
Wow.
come. So I'm sitting in their room, their children's study room, and they gave me water, they gave me hot milk, and I don't know whose house this is.
Oh, fantastic. Beautiful.
Mm.
Okay.
So,
Okay. So you will be here for quite some more time.
no,
I mean,
till tomorrow I'm
till
here.
tomorrow.
Evening I leave and I reach Mumbai.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I
Yes,
must
yes.
say you are very adventurous.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
One
Very
of,
good to see you.
lot of dust going in and very difficult terrain. I mean, difficult, how to say, walk and new place every morning, every afternoon, every evening, and then night stay, and then again going ahead. It was quite something, and luckily I didn't fall sick, God's grace, and I am now. So that's why not able to talk much because of lot of dust has gone in these 15-20 days. So everybody is coughing continuously since whatever number of days. We started 5th of November. I don't know what we are today.
Wow.
Every day
29th.
29th. But since 5 we are at one place for Bhagavat Katha.
Okay. It's, I mean, from Mumbai, you went to Delhi on 5th of November, and from there you started your journey.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's very good, and you're looking so vibrant. Maybe your voice is a little affected, but you're looking good, vibrant. Okay.
Nehal, not chanting.
So unfortunately, ma'am, I had to go for some meeting. I'm just reaching home, but it was so nice. Last 15-20 minutes, whatever I could hear. And I wish that we keep meeting like this. And I was really enjoying the way you were telling about your adventures. And I am sure that you will come out of the situation soon, because
it's just throat, that's it. Nothing else.
Yeah.
Okay, I see lot of other people. Harish Nair ji, then Namrata, Pratima Dalal, Sunil, and Sunil Kumar. I think Sunil and Sunil Kumar are one. Would you like to say something? Any of you? Okay.
Yes, my screen is not on. So not opening, okay?
Okay.
It was fantastic, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah, thank you. And we wish
enjoyed
to
you just chatting.
The first Saturday of every month.
Yes.
A program called Yoga Mela. You can somebody post the link for Community 2? Rashmi? Community 2. Okay, post that link. And can we request all of us who are here to please join this WhatsApp group called Community 2. Okay, we post the links for upcoming programs and all the information about the courses or programs, events happening. And you can also get help in case if you need for any of yoga queries. Okay. And what else? Shraddha, can you please tell them about the upcoming chanting course? Over to you.
So chanting course is starting in January, 6th of January. So anyone who's interested, all the details are there on the website and you can register from there. You can read all the details there. It is a very nice course. All these people, they've learned their chanting through that course. It's a very interactive course, and you can see how nice they've bonded, and they are just following each other so quickly and so beautifully. And everyone, like Malvika ma'am said, that everyone has a different tone, but yet they all are chanting in synchronization, which is really amazing. So it is one course that you should try. The current course is going on, which will be over soon. And then in January, 6th of January, we begin with the second course. That will be our 5th batch, I think.
5th
or 6th batch. Anyone would like to say anything?
Shraddha, I'm somehow not being able to connect to web WhatsApp. Please, could you?
I will share.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, is there anything any of us can do for you? Either related to yoga or other than yoga also. We are all here, eager to be with you and do anything we can.
Ma'am, let's do Nirvan Shatakam once.
Okay, we will do.
Some Sunday or Saturday.
Yeah, you decide a day. We need 2 days for that. 1.5 hours per day.
For chanting?
No, chanting and meaning both.
Okay, meaning both.
Okay, so Tatha.
So I have chanted, I have posted the WhatsApp community link if anyone is interested in joining that link. If you are a part of community 1, you can...
you don't have to, either community 1.
Then you don't have to join this group. If you are not part of community 1, then you can join this.
Okay, Namrata ji, we see you. Would you like to say something?
Namrata, you're on mute.
Namrata ji, unmute yourself first.
Yeah, sorry. Earlier also there was a problem with the camera and I couldn't. And there is a lot of sound in my building. The work is going on, so I couldn't tell you that time that I'm really grateful to be a part of this. Yeah, I've not been participating, but definitely in the near future, I will. Thank you so much.
Ma'am, you are on mute, ma'am. We can't hear you.
Oh, sorry, I was on mute. Namrata ji, I would say that you please join community. We do not disturb people unnecessarily by saying good morning.
Okay. I absolutely know that. Knowing you, and I've joined a couple of other sessions with you. I've learned Nirvan Shatakam with you. So I know how disciplined as a person you are and how wonderful you are as a person. So that is absolutely not the case. But yes, I will definitely join the community.
Because you will at least, all we want is you should have the information.
Yes.
Because, you know, attending this kind of program gives immense energy.
Yes.
And we connect with like-minded people.
Yes.
From the field of yoga, from different parts of the world. Like, okay, beginning with Helen. Helen is in Europe. Malvika ma'am is in Indore.
Indore, yes.
Shraddha, Mumbai. Smith, US. Krupa, Mumbai. Chama, Bangalore. Like that, people are from all over the world, all over India. And it's a wonderful, okay, Minnie from Noida. So it is wonderful to connect with like-minded people.
Yes, and absolutely, Shraddha has been my teacher, and since how many years, and I've learned under her all the sutras, and that has really helped me.
Very nice. Okay, so with this, we come to, I mean, if there's anybody wants to say, please go ahead. Yes, so Shraddha, would you like to conclude the session, please?
Yes.
Yeah.
We will end with 3 rounds of Om and Shanti. Inhale. Om. Om. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Okay, everyone. Thank you.
Everybody.
Thank
We'll see you very soon. Bye-bye.